Hello everyone, my name is Santiago Tinoaro and I'm a foreign language student at UNAT. Today I'm thrilled to welcome you first English vocabulary workshop title Mastering Causative in Journey toward a B2 or C1 level. Understanding how delegate actions is essential. It's not just about a grammar, it's about a manager profession and academy life. Let's dive in. Okay. The first one, it's delegate actions. On these presentations, first, let's say I talk about essential topics beyond basic syntax. Causative verbs describing influence. Think about subjects, the manner. It's a normal sentence. The subject doesn't work, but it's a causative structure. The subject artistic are caused. The actions happen to we using to this when I arrange a service, pay a professional, convince to be to help remember subjects equals to a manager, agent that equals to how actually doesn't work. Now, the authority and service. Now, let's look at the first tool. They have a structure we using for authority and professional service. The formula is a subject plus have the agent plus the verb base. A crucial rule here, and please take a note. This that we are not to before the verb. These are instructions for exam. The teacher had their students complete that grammar quiz. It's simply to a formal relationship where are using the agent fluid on responsibility. Now, the persuasion and if word. On the other hand, we have a get structure to this one. It's all about persuasions on if word you like have. We have a need a linguistic bridge. That bridge it's in the world because to the formula this get a plus the agent plus to plus out of the verb to use the when I needed to encourage to motivate it or trick out the someone into something implicit to something in negotiation in environment to outcomers resistance. You didn't just commands you persuasive. The next one, passive causative, but this what happens to when to have it's important that when a passive causative comes in a focus entities on of result, the structure changes to have a grade plus on the objects plus the past particles of instance and hand is academic easy to review it. Don't forget, and you need to say how I did it. Important. This is very easy to check out and ready. The informal context, you have a have and get, and it change to a here. In a practice, a pronunciation academic test. Let's see how applicate to UNET as language students. We often have a pronunciation correctly with all my tutors. This class, passive causative, we are paying for a professional service to ensure high communication quality. Notice how much structures makes you spend sounds more professional than academically algorithm. In a practice and daily life, and a daily life, it's causative. We have where, for example, right now. It's in my laptop files and say I need to get my computer repairs because I have to record to microLES. I am urging external service to resolve personal objects. It's a practical, it's a real life, it's on how a native spelling actually communication. House and gap. To verb up, remember your dynastic matrix. Use have and responsibility gets for convinces. Always to keep on eye on get to particles. I hope this workshop has very classified. This nonsense is for you. Thank you very much for your attentions and looking forward to ascending in our constants. Thank you very much.